So, last Saturday, my friend Dave invited our group over, insisting we witness something extraordinary. "My fridge writes poetry," he declared with a straight face. Naturally, we were skeptical, but the curiosity, or perhaps the promise of free pizza, got the better of us. We gathered in his kitchen, staring at the stainless steel behemoth, half expecting it to start reading Shakespeare. Dave tapped the fridge, and to our surprise, it whirred to life, producing haikus about forgotten leftovers. First, a sonnet to a moldy lasagna, then a ballad to expired milk, and finally, a surprisingly poignant piece on a lonely carrot, abandoned in the crisper. As we stood there, dumbfounded, Dave grinned and said, "You see, it's a fridge of few words, but it always leaves you chilled to the core."